Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best double gold necklace for women on the market, the CLASSYZINT Gold Puffy Heart Necklace. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, versatile piece of jewelry that can elevate any outfit, this layered choker necklace with a heart pendant might be exactly what you need. This necklace stands out with its unique design, a chunky gold chain that features a puffy heart pendant. The design is both trendy and timeless, blending the boldness of a chunky chain with the softness of a heart-shaped pendant. One of the coolest things about this necklace is its versatility. You can wear it in two different ways: as a long, single-layer necklace that makes a subtle statement, or wrap it around twice for a layered choker look. This dual styling option makes it a great accessory for different occasions and outfits, whether you're going for casual daytime wear or dressing up for a special event. Made from brass with a beautiful gold finish, this necklace promises durability while remaining lightweight. It weighs just about 1.53 ounces, so it's comfortable enough to wear all day long without feeling heavy or cumbersome. The clasp is a reliable lobster clasp, ensuring your necklace stays secure wherever you go. Measuring 36 inches in length, it's designed to sit perfectly around your neckline in its long form and still look elegant when doubled up. The puffy heart pendant is a standout feature, giving a fun yet sophisticated vibe that adds a touch of charm to any look. It's also packaged thoughtfully in a soft flannel bag, which is perfect for safekeeping or gifting. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, or just want to treat yourself to something special, this necklace is made to shine. It's ideal for holiday parties and everyday wear alike, making it a versatile piece that can transition smoothly from day to night. In terms of styling, this necklace pairs beautifully with both casual and dressy outfits. Its gold tone complements a variety of colors and styles, and the heart pendant adds a playful yet elegant touch. Layer it with other necklaces or wear it solo. The options are endless. In summary, the CLASSYZINT Gold Puffy Heart Necklace is a must-have for anyone looking to add a trendy, double-layered gold necklace to their jewelry collection. It's stylish, versatile, lightweight, and perfect for a wide range of occasions. If you want to stand out with a piece that's both bold and charming, this necklace delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.